A black hole just did something that should not happen this long. It tore into a star and kept exploding for days. The event is called GRB 250702b, and when NASA's space telescope saw it, astronomers knew immediately that something was wrong. Gamma-ray bursts are already the most powerful explosions in the universe, but they are not supposed to last like this. A normal gamma-ray burst might flash for a few seconds, maybe a few minutes. This one kept going for more than 7 hours, making it the longest burst of its kind ever seen. And that was only the beginning. Other signals from the explosion continued for days. Out of roughly 15,000 gamma-ray bursts ever detected, none had done this. Only a handful even came close. That is why this event matters so much. It may be the first clear sign of a completely new kind of stellar explosion. At first, astronomers did not even know what they were looking at. The outburst appeared near the crowded, dusty plain of the Milky Way, and some of the first signals suggested it might be something inside our own galaxy. But then bigger telescopes looked deeper, and what they found changed everything. Hubble images showed that the explosion came from a distant galaxy, which meant this was not some local flare or weird nearby object. It was a truly enormous cosmic blast, and that made the mystery worse, because the two usual ways to make a gamma-ray burst should not be able to keep a jet running for days. Normally, these bursts come from the collapse of a massive star or from two ultra-dense neutron stars crashing together. Both can create a black hole. Neither should power something like this for so long. So, what could? NASA says the best explanation is that a black hole consumed a star. Not in the usual, clean, fast way we imagine for a violent event like this. Something here kept feeding the engine for far longer than normal. One idea is that an intermediate mass black hole, thousands of times heavier than the Sun, shredded a star that passed too close. Another is even stranger. A much smaller black hole may have spiraled into its stellar companion, started pulling gas from it, then plunged into the star itself and began eating it from the inside. Either way, the result is insane. As matter fell toward the black hole, part of it was blasted into tight jets moving near the speed of light. Those jets produced the gamma rays, but unlike ordinary bursts, the engine behind this one did not shut off quickly. It kept going, and going, and going. That is the real reason astronomers are so excited. This was not just brighter or bigger than usual. It behaved differently at a basic level. It may represent a new way for black holes to create one of the most extreme explosions in the universe. And that matters far beyond one event. Because gamma-ray bursts are some of the best probes astronomers have for studying violent deaths of stars, newborn black holes, and extreme physics under conditions we cannot reproduce anywhere else. So when one breaks the rules this badly, it forces astronomers to ask a dangerous question. How many other categories in the universe are incomplete? Right now, researchers are still arguing about exactly what happened on July 2nd. But they agree on the most important part. Something extraordinary died. A black hole was involved. And for days, the universe refused to look away.